Many people ask, where is the spare tire on the brand new 2022 Outlander? The quick answer to that, it does not come with a spare tire equipped from the factory. Now, typically a spare tire would be located somewhere here underneath the cover or underneath the vehicle itself right there. In this case, Outlander doesn't have the spare tire there. Let's have a look at the reasons why and what you can do and keep in mind to know that you're safe, protected, just in case you might need some extra air in your tire. Now let's have a look at why it doesn't have a spare tire. As we can see, the all-new Outlander is a 7-seater. It's a standard equipment for the Outlander, 7 seats, 3 rows. There's physically no space for the spare tire. As we can see, the seats are folded up right now. We have the 3rd row. There's a tiny compartment right here. That's about it. If we look at underneath the vehicle, there's not much room there to put a spare tire. So it's essentially a space issue. There's nowhere to put the spare tire. Now let's have a look what to do if you do get a flat tire. Now, if you do end up getting a flat tire, what Mitsubishi has in store for you, it has the flat tire repair kit. The easiest way to access it, you fold the 3rd row down, you lift up this, and you can essentially then remove this part here, flip this up. There's some waters right there for hydration. So you flip this up and you have the tire sealant. Now I made another video, I'll link it down below. You can see how to actually use it. Remember, you got to shake this well before you use it. But essentially you have a compressor, a tire sealant. If you do get a flat tire, you can pump the air up, add this like sealant foam, and that'll get you through the nearest tire shop so you can safely repair or swap the tire. Now, one important thing though to keep in mind is if you do go off-roading or somewhere where there's high likelihood there's no tire shops around, or you're afraid that, let's say you go off-road trails and you might blow the tire so badly that it needs replacement, that's something to keep in mind, because this tire sealant, it can only help you basically for your typical road hazards like the screws, nails, tires and such. But if it's a severe damage, you actually might be out of luck. So for those situations, essentially keep a spare tire. So if you go camping, off-roading, whatever the case would be, just toss a little donut tire and you'll be good and safe. For your everyday city situations, highway driving, you do have this sealant right there. So hope this video helps and you liked it. Thank you for watching.